does that make you feel?
Do you feel good? Do you feel amazing?
Split personality driving them insane.
Amazing. I feel phenomenal. FedEx, Amazon.
Also with the tie
Which one do you like better?
on the green one. Okay, ready?